If Microsoft Word is showing error 7Q6CA, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually resolve the problem. This issue is often related to sign-in problems, damaged credentials, or corrupted Office authentication files, so the goal here is to refresh your login, clear old data, and make sure Word can connect properly again. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word and sign out of your account completely. If you're already signed in, click your profile or account area and choose Sign Out. After that, sign back in again using the same Microsoft account or work account that you normally use. This simple step can sometimes refresh the connection and fix the error right away. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear old Office credentials from Windows. To do that, open the Start menu and search for Credential Manager. Open it, then go to Windows Credentials. Here, look through the saved entries and remove anything related to Microsoft Office 16, Microsoft Office 15, or Office 16. These saved credentials can become outdated or corrupted, and deleting them forces Microsoft Word to create fresh sign-in data the next time you open it. Once you've removed those entries, close Credential Manager and move on to the next step. Now, open Control Panel, then go to Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list of installed programs, click it once, and then choose Change. Depending on your version, you may see repair options or modification options. If you do, choose the repair option and let Windows begin the process. This can help fix damaged Office files that may be triggering the 7Q6CA error. Be patient and allow it to finish before moving on. After that, we're going to clear another important folder that often stores sign-in authentication files. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run box, then type %local app data /Microsoft /OneAuth and press Enter. When the folder opens, select all the files inside and delete them. Don't worry, this is safe in this context because Windows and Office can rebuild these files automatically. Once the folder is cleared, restart your computer so the changes take effect properly. After your PC restarts, open Word again and sign back in if prompted. In many cases, this is enough to eliminate the error and get everything working normally again. There is one more important thing to check, and that is Windows updates. Make sure your system is fully updated, because Office sign-in and authentication issues can sometimes happen when Windows is out of date. Go to Settings, open Windows Update, and install any pending updates. Once everything is updated, restart again if required. Then launch Word one more time and test it. At this point, the error should be gone and Word should open and sign in without issues. If the problem still appears after trying all of these steps, it may be worth checking your Microsoft account status, repairing Office more thoroughly, or reinstalling Office as a last resort. But for most users, the steps in this video will fix Microsoft Word error 7Q6CA quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.